Hi everyone, welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to activate Visual Composer free version. To start the activation process, you will have to go to your WordPress admin plugin section and locate or install the Visual Composer website builder plugin and just click activate. The pop-up screen that just appeared lets you choose the version you want, so in this case just choose the free version. That opened the user validation form, so enter a valid email address and select a category. And categories help us to improve Visual Composer to fit your business area. Here you'll have to agree with the cloud terms and then just click on Activate Now. Visual Composer Website Builder will now download all the extensions, elements and templates that you'll need when you are going to create your website. And remember, it is very important not to close the window during this process. And after the successful download, you are redirected to the final activation screen from where you can start creating your new website with Visual Composer Website Builder. And you can do that by clicking the Create Blank Page button, or you can navigate to pages or posts to edit your existing content. We would also really appreciate if you could tweet about Visual Composer to spread the word around the globe. Thank you and enjoy!